everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Etsy that I thought I would open. It's by It's from Homemade by Zan, Z-A-N, and I will put the link to the shop below. And I have a nice little invoice that I'm trying to pull out of here. So it's handmadebyzan.etsy.com. And she gives me a coupon code for next time. And it says, thank you. And, oh boy, this is a project bag. I really am enjoying some project bags. And with my cast-on-itis that I have, they are going to come in handy. So the packaging is really cute. It's in a nice bag, and then it's wrapped in tissue paper. So if you were giving this as a gift, you certainly could just gift it straight from here. What a nice idea. I didn't even think of that until just now. Oh my gosh, it's cute. Okay, so let me get this stuff out of the way. Handmade by Zan, crafting to inspire. I don't know what I said, but I didn't say inspire. Very nice. And here is the bag. So it is a smaller, I don't know, I guess maybe I'd say a medium-sized bag. It has a nice bottom to it. And cute yarn balls. Even has a ruler as the drawstring, which you guys know, I love me some drawstring bags. So I would say it's a small to medium-sized bag. But that's not all. Look, on the inside, it has a snap-on I don't know how this works. Oh, it's stuck on there. So what are those snaps for? I don't know what the snaps are for. What are the snaps for? Maybe you put something inside? I don't know. Okay, so this is stuck in there. So this kind of keeps it in two halves, but it's a little notions pouch that has a zip. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. And then she has her little tag there, Handmade by Zan, and it has the two little handprints. Super cute. So the lining is the maroon color, and the notions pouch is big enough. I mean, I don't know what size it is, but it's big enough, like you could put your little crochet hook thing in there. You could put a ruler in there, a pin. I don't know what these are for. I'm really curious about this. Do I like open it and put stitch markers on it? And there's two. You guys can see those, right? There's one that goes each way. I am not sure what those are for. I might have to get on her website and try to figure it out myself. But anyway, I mean, it's really cute, and it's divided by this. So you could have two different skeins in here and have them totally different projects, or you could have one project with two skeins, or one project and just push it to the side and use that whole side for your project. But it is connected at the bottom, so I love that. So that the things aren't going to transfer underneath the zipper pouch. It's two separated sections, which is, in my opinion, the best. And it stands up nicely by itself. And it's adorable with the cute little balls of yarn. And again, it has a wonderful drawstring. And it's a pretty big bag. I mean, I'm going to say this is a medium because I have some smalls that hold like one ball of yarn, which is great for what it is, but this would hold more. So I'm going to say this is a 2 skeiner, and so it would be a hat or socks or a small shawl or whatever you wanted to take, and it's a great size in my opinion. So I love it, and I am excited about it. So check her out. I will link her below. If for some reason I've forgotten, please let me know. And if you check her out and purchase anything, please tell her that TT.Scraps sent you. So thanks so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.